Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to build a e-portfolio in Digication. To start out, open up your browser and type in mercy.digication.com. Once you log into Digication, you'll be directed to your home page. You can see on the left side there's a quick start guide PDF that's always there. In case you get lost, you can always access this to find out how to create, edit, and organize your e-portfolios, just like what we're doing here in this video. In order to create your e-portfolio, the first step is to access your course. So click on your course. Then the next step is to access the e-portfolio template. In order to do so, click on the course level e-portfolio tab, not the Digication level e-portfolio tab on the top. Your faculty member should have at least one portfolio template listed. Find out from them which one you should use. In order to create your portfolio, click on the Create ePortfolio from Template link. And then you need to create a title. Find out from your instructor if they have any specific needs. You may be asked to put in your name, the semester, or the course into the web address. You can choose whether or not to use the template's theme. The general permissions leave the portfolio private to you, but then as you can see under additional permissions, allow the students in your course and the faculty to view your portfolio. Your instructor might want to become an editor or an administrator of your portfolio. If they have asked you to do so, please change the roles. As far as tagging, you can either allow or not allow tagging. The same with the comments. Once you're done with this, just click Create New ePortfolio, and your portfolio has been created. As you can see, from the top, there are 3 separate areas for viewing and editing. You always start out on the Edit tab. This is your working version of your ePortfolio. And under the Publish tab is what outsiders who are just viewers would see from their web browser. So under the Editing tab, for example, if you wanted to rename a section, under the View Sections, if you click on the Add Edit button and then the pencil and paper, instead of Home, you can select Profile and then Save. And if you go into the published version, you can see that that is quickly changed. Once you change a section, you don't have to save it, it automatically does it. In order to edit what is in the text area, you'll go to the text area level and hit Edit. And this opens up a rich text editor. So under here, for example, if your instructor asks you to insert a picture of yourself, you can go to the Insert Media icon, right, and you can browse your computer or the web for a picture, and you can quickly insert it, just like attaching something to an email. So that's how you insert a picture. If your instructor asks you to insert your resume or something like that, then you can insert a file. And you can type in my resume. And under next to Insert Media is Insert File. And once again, you go in My Computer, select Browse, and insert the PDF. I would highly suggest any documents that you do upload to upload PDFs instead of Word documents, just so that they keep all of their formatting. Now I've changed some things in this, and I could of course delete as much as I want. I can highlight and delete, and I can write more about myself right here. Now in order to save this and have other viewers view it, it's actually a 3-step process. The first step is to select the Save button. Once we do that, this red banner comes up, okay? And we're going to have to then select publish this page, and then we have to publish all changes. So we have to save and then publish. So then when we scroll back up and we go to the published view, we can see that the changes have been made. So if we go back to the edit button and we say we go to the oral communication section and we want to add a video, say for example we have a video from YouTube that we want to add, we can go to the edit button. There's actually instructions here about how to embed a video, but I'll go over that quickly. The first thing to do is to go to YouTube or wherever you're getting your video from and copy the embedding code. Then go to Insert Media, and since we're doing media from the web, we go to that tab. Select YouTube, and we paste the code. There's instructions on this as well, and hit Insert. So we can't see it right now, but if we do that three-step process, we hit Save, Publish this page, Publish all changes, and then we go to the published view, we'll be able to see that our video is there. So we don't have to worry about uploading videos from our hard drive. It's the best thing to do is to host it somewhere else and link. So if you wanted to, for example, add another video or another module, since you have another video, you can always select Add a Module, and you can choose whether it's an image, an audio, or rich text, or a gallery, and you just select Add this module, and you can add multiple ones per page. Okay, so now you can replace this media, add media. You have many options here. Your instructor may ask you to delete some of these tabs here. So if you go to the Add Edit option, you can select Delete this section. Now, as it says, this action cannot be undone. Are you sure you want to delete this? And once you delete it and you select OK, that's it. There's no going back. So you can get rid of these extra tabs if you don't need them. So the last thing I will show you is just how to change your banner, your cover photo here. Under Portfolio Tools, click Settings. And under Choose a Theme, hit the Customize button. You can change your directory icon the same way with uploading a new picture from your hard drive. And with the header image, you'll just browse for a new image. It'll replace the current one. You can also change the background color if you wish. Select Save, and the changes are made. So there's many ways to customize your ePortfolio to your needs, but also work within the template so that you don't have to start from scratch. So find out from your instructor what their needs are and contact them for any help that you need. You can also go onto YouTube and find many different tutorials for help, but also refer to this one if you need any further assistance.